you can see how it has evolved in our culture by watching the various phases portrayed in TV. I'll give you an example. Occasionally I will watch a program called Law and Order SVU. This program has been on the air for like 20 years and they've yet to run out of storylines. And it's about sexual crimes in Manhattan. It stars Mariska Hargitay, she's the daughter of Jane Mansfield, if you know who that was. And anyway, she has become a mom at age 80. I'm exaggerating. She's become a mom. I think being adopted, I don't know. But I'm not exaggerating much when I tell you that she'd be sitting in her office at the police headquarters, and her phone will ring, and it'll be the school where her son Noah is. And the school will tell her, Noah is crying. You have to do something. And she will stop what she's doing. She will leave the office to go because her son is crying. Noah's really upset. He's crying. Oh, and then the way they portray it when she gets to the school. What's wrong, Noah? I hate you, Mommy. I want my new mom. Oh, and then she goes sulking away in the bathroom. My kid hates me. Oh, my God. I'm thinking I compare all this the way my brother and I were raised, which is my nearest mode of comparison. And I'll tell you something, folks. Every parent, every set of parents does it their own way. And there's no school you go to. There's no manual. Everybody goes their own way. But I really think that we've lost control here. I think man from the villages is right. I think it's completely out of phase. When I hear people my age, 68 to 70, literally say that they don't dare talk about their support for Trump, or they will not be allowed to see their grandkids. The first thing I ask myself is, did you ever discipline your kids when they were growing up? I don't understand it. But it seems like the kids, who by definition can't possibly know what the parents know. Now, that's not true. I mean, parents can be surpassed by their kids in book learning.